It is believed that Hong Kong is a densely populated city. The distance between human and the personal space becomes smaller and smaller. Therefore, different types of noise are generated by different human activities. In recent decades, people become more concerned about their environment. Noise pollution has been recognized as one of the pollutants. Like other large cities in the world, Hong Kong has its shares of noise problems. There are various noise sources. It may be produced by traffic, construction, or conversation noise. Noise pollution by definition is excessive, unwanted, disturbing, and detrimental sound. This may affect humans both physically and physiologically. This source of noise can lead to mental stress, hearing loss, and also can interfere with daily activities such as doing homework, talking on the telephone, and sleeping. To measure the intensity of sound, sound meter apps is used. Hence, the sound level intensity can be measured. To calculate the sound intensity level, decibels are required to describe the volume of the sound source. The decibel is a knot function that expresses the ratio between two values of the intensity. I naught is 1 times 10 to the negative 12, which is a reference value in the formula.
Here, we would like to determine people's perception of noise against actual sound level measurement. We will measure the sound level intensity in 2 different locations. People who are closer to the noise generating source will be invited to answer the questions. We will ask 2 questions. The first question will be how they feel about the sound, from a scale 1 to 5. 1 stands for quiet and 5 stands for noisy. And the second question will concern how they will react to the sound level. Near the canteen, the noise generating source will be mainly our talking. The sound level intensity was around 15 to 16 decibel.
Yes.
How would you rate your feeling about the sound from scale 1 to 5? 1 stands for quiet and 5 stands for noisy. What do you think? Yes.
Maybe 3.
Okay, thank you. And next question is, regarding this sound intensity, what would you do? Do you want to live here to study or study here?
Yes, of course.
So you will stay here?
Yeah, I will stay here and study here.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank
I could give 4 or 5 marks because I want a quiet environment for my study.
The noise source in library will be mainly the operation sound of machines. The sound level intensity was around 14 decibel.
I think it will be level 3, and I will not choose to stay here for my study.
Okay, thank you.
First, we interviewed 5 students in City Youth Library. For the first question about how they feel about the surrounding sound level in library. As mentioned before, we set up a scale from 1 to 5 marks. 1 mark for very quiet and 5 marks for very noisy. 1 student gives 1 mark, 3 students give 2 marks, and 1 student gives 3 marks. For the second question, how they will react to the sound level. 4 students choose to stay and only 1 student choose to leave. On the other hand, we also interviewed 5 students in AC1 canteen. For the first question about how they feel about the surrounding sound level in AC1 canteen, 3 students give 3 marks and 2 students give 4 marks. For question 2 about how they react to the sound level, 2 students choose stay in there while 3 students choose to leave. In our interviews, we have chose 2 noise generators. First one is people in AC1 canteen in rush hours, and the second one is machines in library, such as printers and computers. From the interview results, the average rating about the sound level in library is 2 marks, while the average rating in AC1 canteen is 3.8 marks. Obviously, question 1 result shows that students generally think library is more quiet. Also, they think sound generated by people in AC1 canteen is more annoying than machines in library.
The noise perception is different for different persons. Noise pollution will result in several effects on. According to the report conducted by World Health Organization, the pollution would cause cardiovascular effects after a long time. In short, it will degrade the working performance and cause sleeping disorder and etc.